Navisworks has different navigation tools, and the one that we like to use are these little feet. This one is the best one because it lets you do many different things. So this one here lets you go up, down, you can go left, right, you can look around while you walk, which is really nice too. The further you go, the faster it'll go, and you can go slowly. So that one's really neat. There is the pan tool, which basically lets you move the model up, down, or left and right only. There's this zoom in tool. So basically, if you wanted to look closer at an area, you can just box over it and it'll take you to it. The orbit tool, if you click on a specific area, you start orbiting over that. So here you'd hold the click and you can just orbit around it. And then the look around tool is basically you staying still and the model just moving around you. And you can just look throughout the model. And that's basically it for the navigation tools.